If you guys have a passion for food and you want to try out some new recipes, then subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications bell. Assalamu alaikum guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making a no-bake Oreo cheesecake. Would you have a look at that? It looks amazing. Oreo cheesecake, and here are the ingredients. So I've got butter, I've got 2 packs of Oreos biscuits, I've got some sugar, I've got 2 packs of whipping cream and 2 packs of Philadelphia. Full measurements in relation to how much is going to be used will be in the description box below. Guys, to start, I'm going to add in the Oreos into the grinder. So add in all the Oreos. Now that all the Oreos have been added in, I just need to grind it. The Oreo biscuits have been grinded well, so it's been mashed nicely the way I wanted it. Yeah, now it's time to add in the butter, melted butter. Okay, now we've got melted butter here. I'm just gonna add this in. Bismillah. Now we just need to grind it again. It's been grinded well. I just need to add it into the baking tray. So I'll just add that in. So you add it all in, ensure that you press down and it's flattened and spread evenly throughout the tray. Okay guys, now I'm just gonna spread out the Oreo biscuit paste all the way around the tray and flatten it evenly. Okay guys, now that the base is ready, now it's time to make the cheese mixture. Add in the 2 packs of whipping cream. So I'm gonna add them all in. Two. And now the sugar. What we're going to do now is we just need to whisk it until it becomes light and fluffy. The Philadelphia cheese. So I'm going to add in the whole pack and add it all in. That came out nice and easy. The other one. There we go. Now we just need to whisk that until it's well combined. Okay guys, so now I'm going to add in some Oreo bits which I've crushed into small pieces. It's 1 whole pack that I used, by the way. So I'll add all of this in and just mix it well. Just mix it all well so it's well combined. But my mix has come out a little bit runny. So what I'm going to do is I'm still going to add it in to the Oreo base, and I'm just going to leave it in the fridge overnight just to see how it turns out. But yeah, it's come out runny, so we're just going to have to work with it for now. We'll see how it looks like in the morning. 24 hours later, the first layer of the Oreo cheesecake came out really nice. We didn't expect it to come out like that, but it came out really nice. Then you can decorate it as you wish. As you can see guys, I'm decorating the cheesecake by putting in half of a Oreo biscuit in between the double cream. So here guys, just get a few Oreo biscuits, crush them into very small pieces and sprinkle it on the top of the Oreo cheesecake and in the middle base as well. There you have it guys, a no bake Oreo cheesecake. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to smash that like button. To subscribe, click on my channel logo to the top left of the screen now. Thank you so much for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.